when the bottom of a paper cup with a lid is not folded enough, or not folded at all. It means that the height of the folding furnace is too low. The height of the folding furnace needs to be raised. Before adjustment, use a pen to draw the current position of the folding bottom furnace along the fixed turntable. Loosen the 2 screws under the folding bottom stove. Rotate the fixed turntable counterclockwise to raise the folding bottom furnace. After adjustment, move the folding furnace back to the marked position. Make sure the bottom of the folding furnace and the bottom of the mold are centered. If the position is offset, the bottom of the paper cup is uneven. Tighten these 2 screws. After tightening, the adjustment is completed.